Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Style, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by double tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of options. Find the settings option and tap on it to enter. In options, or in settings rather, scroll through the menu by swiping left and right. Find the language option. No, my bad. Let's go back and find the language. Once you find the language, tap on it. And now you can scroll through the list of languages by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, simply tap on it to select it and apply it. Like this. And once you're done changing the language, you can tap on the back button to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change the language through the phone application. So let's bring the app here, or rather the phone with the app. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Now let's open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices. Here tap on Vivomove Style. Scroll down, tap on General, and then tap on Language. Scroll through the list, find the language you want to use, tap on it. After you select the language, go back to the device page. Once you go back to the device page, you will see a message that the settings were saved and the watch will sync with your phone. And once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied. So if we wake up the screen, come on, wake up. Okay, open the menu. You will see that the language changed. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.